All right, hello, welcome everyone, and thank you very much for joining us today. We're going to give a few more minutes for everyone to log in. Now, while we wait, a little information about Prolim. We are a leading PLM, cloud, Mendix, and digital transformation solution provider. With a global footprint and expertise in the latest technologies, Prolim is the partner to speed up your digital transformation journey. Now we will give it about another minute and we will get started. All right, thank you for your patience. We are ready to begin our Tech Talk today. Our topic is revolutionize your workflow with effortless integration from Mendix to Teamcenter. Your questions will be answered live at the end, but go ahead and enter them into chat as they come up if you would prefer. Now, our presenter today is Dira, who is located in our Hooley office. Now, a little bit about Dira. He is a dedicated Mendix developer and a software engineer. He specializes in leveraging the Mendix platform to create efficient, scalable, user-friendly applications. All right. Welcome, Diraj. I am very excited to hear what you have to tell us today. The Tech Talk is now yours.
Yeah, sure, Misty. Thank you for the introduction, the brief introduction. So today, I will go and start the presentation of effortless integration from Mendix to Teamcenter. So this is the topic for today's. So first, coming to the agenda, today I will be introducing to the Teamcenter, like what is a Teamcenter, and next I will show the configuring of Teamcenter with Mendix, and then writing back of the material to Teamcenter and bringing of that BOM to Mendix back again. So coming to the introduction of Teamcenter, like Teamcenter is a virtual gateway to the company's product information, connecting to all the needs with the products and the process knowledge. And Teamcenter enables you to digitally manage your product and manufacturing data in the context of the product lifecycle. So Teamcenter connector for the Mendix enables Mendix developers to access product data from Teamcenter or create and modify product data into Teamcenter. And I mentioned the bill of material, right? So bill of material can help the customers of any of the company to understand their uh, knowledge of like what all the products are needed for building one of the material. So in the coming slides, I will explain more about the bill of material. So coming to the next slide, like this, like for the demo, like we are using the 78 machine, that is the Siemens software, that is Teamcenter. And this is the login page. You are able to see the while doing the Teamcenter integration. And this is the workspace. Like whenever we log into the Teamcenter, you are able to create the folders and put the bill of materials and all in the Teamcenter. And like next, coming to the configuration of the Teamcenter 78 machine with Mendix. Like first we have in the Mendix Studio Pro, we have to download the TC connector from the marketplace. And then in that TC connector, we have already built-in pages provided by the marketplace. That is the Teamcenter configuration overview page and login page for the Teamcenter. So that both like we have to put in the navigation of the Studio Pro. As you can see the image, like we have put one of the configuration page as this first one, and like next is the login page for the Teamcenter. So next, when we click on the Teamcenter configuration, you will get a pop-up like saying you have to configure the configuration name, the Teamcenter host address.
Diraj, I'm not able to hear you, but maybe that's just me.
Yeah, Misty, now you're able to?
Yes, sir. I can hear you again.
Yeah, so from where did I like lost?
I believe it was one slide back.
Okay, this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I will repeat this one. Like first you have to download the Team Center connector from the marketplace. So there, then you will get the built-in pages in that Team Center marketplace like that is Team Center configuration overview page and the login page for the Team Center. So that both like you have to put it in the navigation of the Studio Pro. So there you have to configure Team Center configuration and one is the login, one is for the login page. So first when you go click on the Team Center configuration, you will get a pop-up saying you have to enter the configuration name, the host, the FMS URL, and then you have to set that to active. So validating that you have enabled this credential and you are setting it to active. Then it will validate your credential which you have entered previously, and then you are able to log into the Team Center. So this is the screen of the login page for the Team Center. So you have to enter the credential provided to you, and then you will able to see the workspace like below screenshot. So next comes the use cases for today. So first I will show the creating of a bill of material in Team Center. Next I will show the getting how to get the data from Team Center to Mendix app. Next then I will show the writing back of data from Mendix app to Team Center. So I will go to the Team Center application. So first I will log in through the credentials. So basically, I have built one bill of material for the demo. Like here, it consists of one of the product. So that consists of these levels. So to produce one like component, so we need these subcomponents. So we have to prepare a bill of material like this in the Excel. So this I will upload you in the Team Center and show you. So first I will create one of the folder in the workspace. So I will name it as TC. So a folder is being created called TC. So here I will import that structure. So here for the name, we have to map the name, ID for the ID, revision to the revision. And like we have provided the quantity, right? So we have to add one row called quantity, which is coming from the BOM line, which we are going to import. So here we have to click the quantity and then we have to map it as quantity and then import structure. So as you can see, the structure of the bomb has been imported. So you can see like whatever which I provided in the Excel, the L1, L2 and head unit like that all comes and it gets imported in the Team Center. So now this structure I have to get it to the Mendix application. So that I will log in into the Mendix application. So already I have configured the credentials here. Just I have to log in into the Team Center. So here I will search the folder name which is created there. So coming back to the one step back. So in the TC, it is created as L1. So I will search the name by L1 here. So you can see the ID, right? MAT1000. So here you can see if you go inside this, it is MAT1000, right? So here when you go and click the see details, like you will get the structure which is imported in the Team Center. So coming back to this one, now I will show the attachments, how to import that. So in this section, I will attach the one of the PDF. So I have to select the PDF one and like choose file. And PDF is added. Now I will add one of the JT file for that. So JT file is being also added. So now I will search the same folder again. So I will click on the PDF icon. So here you can see the PDF which I attached, right? So you can able to see that and preview that. And next comes the JT file. So the buggy which I attached there, so you are able to see the JT file here. And next use case is writing back this to the Team Center back. Now we have brought the data from Team Center to Mendix app. Now we have to put this like data from Mendix to Team Center. So that I am going to show you. We'll log in the application. Yeah, so here like we have already provided a few data here. So now I will show you in the Team Center 78 machine. I will show the folder. Like you can see RFP, right? So you can see screen protector, display cover, backlighting system. So now what we are doing, right? The description, whatever is provided, like by we have provided as by. So those all are getting retrieved in the Mendix app. So now I will change this backlighting system and edit that name to only backlight. So I will write back this to Team Center. Yeah, here it is like updated. So when I come to Team Center and refresh, go to the RFP folder, like you can see, it is now renamed to backlighting. Okay, and inside this, if I go to the attachment section, you are able to see like no files are present here. Okay, so I will attach one of the file from the Mendix app to Team Center. We'll upload this buggy dune JT. So the file has been uploaded to back to the Team Center. So you are able to see this, right? Buggy Dune is being uploaded in backlighting folder. So this is the writing back to the Team Center. So similar way, like we have done for buy, or like we have provided this for only buy. Like similar way, if you like the whatever the customer wants, like if you want to provide their custom, like they want to build their custom logic, we can provide that too also. And same condition applies for writing back to Team Center and bringing that data from Mendix. For that also we can do. So was the presentation from my side for this one, the use cases. So I have completed all the like use cases, creating of the bomb and getting of data from Team Center to Mendix, and then writing back of the same data from Mendix up to Team Center. So Mishti, like any questions do you have for me?
All right. Thank you so much. Let's see if anything has come through. So for the attendees, I'm going to go ahead and open the microphones. So if you would like to unmute yourself and ask questions, by all means, we'll give you just a moment to go ahead and do that. And I will check the chat and see if we have anything that came through. Okay, we do have a question that came through. It says, what are all the marketplace modules you have used?
Okay, so for that, like I will show you the in the Studio Pro. So coming to the Studio Pro, like the modules which I've used from the marketplace are like we have used three modules: the TC connector, and next one is the TC NBD, and next is the Teamcenter toolkit. So these three all are needed for the integration.
All right, thank you so much for showing that.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like someone's asking, how is the login to Teamcenter validated in the application?
Okay, for that, like I will show you the logic, like how it is being done. So you can see the, okay. Yeah, so this is the page. So like here, when we click on the Team Center, right, it is getting validated through a microflow. So there, like whatever we are like entering the session, right, configuration, like I showed you while to doing the configuration of the Team Center. So there we'll retrieve that session. And if like the already like session is being created, we'll just validate and show him the login page. Otherwise, we'll again show him that we have to log into the like you have to fill the configuration first and then you have to come. So here is the logic. We are validating that.
Okay. Wow, Mendix is so simple to use. I love the visual. That's great. Thank you so much. Well, maybe not simple, but better than code. All right. Okay, looks like another question just came through, and they're asking about search. So how is search implemented in the application?
Okay, the search like whatever we are doing, right? So for that, like I will go to the page. So coming from the page, like if you yeah, so this is the page from where we are getting the objects, right? So here we have used one of the microflow. So there we have used like a Java object like from like that this is provided from the like whatever the modules we have downloaded from the marketplace. Okay, so if we search in the toolbox, the simple search, so you can see here, right? So performs item simple search. So here, like this item we have used as an activity in one of the microflow, and like we have customized our logic. Like if the customer wants custom logic, right? If he wants to search a particular thing from his side, so we can provide that in the query and like what all the objects he wants and all like that. So this is the like how to use that.
Okay, so that is how you use search. All right, very nice. Very nice. All right, we'll give it a minute. I don't see any questions in chat at this moment, so we'll give everyone just a little bit of time. And guys, please feel free to take yourself off mute and go ahead and ask your questions live or enter into chat, of course. Okay, it looks like we got one more question in. This one is, what kind of attachments can you put into Teamcenter? It's a good question. Can anything be attached in Teamcenter?
Yeah, for now, like I showed you, like attaching of the PDF and JT file. So it provides actually like 100 plus attachments, like the way like you can attach those. So I will show you that also. Uh,
So Dheeraj, one more question here.
yeah.
So is there any exception when we upgrade the version, Team Center version from Mendix Marketplace?
Yeah, so like the writing back of the like what I showed you, right? The writing back of data from Mendix to Teamcenter. So that requires an version of more than like 10.6. So that cannot be done in like a lower version, like 9.24.3 and all. So it needs an 10.6 version. And like if you upgrade any version to that, it will not affect anything. Like the marketplace modules all will upgrade by itself.
So it's not stable in the 9 version 9, right?
No, no. Like in the version 9, like you are not able to write back that to Team Center. Like you can bring the data from like Team Center to Mendix. Like you can't write back the same to Team Center. Like the third use case I showed you, right? So that needs to be like in the higher future.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
And Raj, just to confirm I heard correctly, so basically any file can go into Teamcenter. It doesn't make a difference what the extension is. Is that what I heard?
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct, Mr. Like you
Okay.
can like upload more than 100 plus extensions, the
Oh,
variety.
wow.
Yeah.
That's impressive. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm going to give it about one more minute. If you have any questions, by all means, please take yourself off mute and go ahead and ask. And if you don't want to speak, you can just type your question into chat.
Dheeraj, I have one more question. So while writing back to the Team Center, right? So anything needs
Yeah.
to be handled there as well, or like some exceptions to be handled, or some basically version, like what version we are using, and the same version if we are writing back to Team Center, that version should be same, or it is independent of that versions.
No, writing back to the Team Center requires like a 10.6 higher version, but bringing of that data doesn't matter. Like you can choose any version
You can choose any version.
because yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Uh,
because like Mendix like has already like told like in the marketplace you can see this marketplace module, this Team Center toolkit, right? So this is only allowed in 10.6 higher version. So it will not we can't download it in lower version. It will not allow us. So for this purpose, like for the writing back, we need this module. So this can be done in only 10.6 and higher. But
okay.
bringing of data is can be done in like lower versions also.
Okay. Okay. Yes, it is. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Good question. All right. We are coming up on the bottom of the hour. So, guys, thank you all so much for joining us today. And thank you, Daraj, for an excellent session today. I learned a lot. I will send a recording of this Tech Talk out to everyone's email address, whatever you reserved or registered with, rather. And I encourage you, go ahead and register for upcoming Tech Talks. We have several that are scheduled through the end of July, and we'll be posting the August Tech Talk shortly. All right, guys. So don't forget, follow us on LinkedIn if you haven't already. This will allow you to, stay up to date with all the excitement of Prolim. All right. Thank you all so much for your time today. Have a great week, and we'll see you on the next Tech Talk. Thank you. Bye bye.